The United States was founded on a dream of building a free nation, to make a difference by uniting people with a common vision and unwavering determination for a better life. Like our great country, Gano Excel USA has faced adversity. We have persevered. We do not give up. We stay true to our principles, and we evolve. Like our great country, Gano Excel USA provides opportunity for independence. We build business. We develop leaders. We provide hope for a brighter future. We share our continuing success. We are guided by Mr. Liao's vision to spread health and wealth. We are supported by 20 years of success, and we share the power of Gano Lucidum. We strive to make a difference, to be the difference, feel the difference, taste the difference, and inspire the difference throughout the United States and around the world. These are our guiding principles: socialize, harmonize, actualize, revitalize, and energize. These pillars in unity stand for the basic human function to discover a better life: share. Every affiliate exercises these principles on a daily basis, sharing Gano Lucidum and the evolution of coffee with as many people as they can. Every corporate department, from customer service to IT, from marketing to fulfillment, has shared these pillars to encourage the growth and evolution of our company. Every home party, one-on-one meeting, regional event, and distribution center, we share. We share these life-changing products with our families, our friends, with everyone we encounter who is in need of a better life in health and wealth. Combined with our dedicated USA staff and industry-leading affiliates, we have paved a clear path to success. Alone, we share for our children, our loved ones, ourselves. But together, we share for something more: the futures of each and every one of the members of our affiliate family. We are the people of Gano Excel USA. We strive for freedom. We persevere in the face of adversity. The opportunity we share realizes the American dream. It shapes a brighter future. We are the evolution. We are Gano Excel USA. Join us and share.
Welcome to Gano Excel.